Good afternoon. Friends, let me have the pleasure and privilege of talking to you today about a topic of paramount importance and perennial relevance. And the topic is, you can make a difference. First of all, we should have a clear idea about the meaning and implications of the statement. It is our everyday experience that we hear people lamenting over the pitiable plight of the present world scenario. Everybody complains as if it is a work of the extraterrestrials and there is no role for them in the predicament. Is it true? Definitely not. Each one of us has a share in the murky situation and therefore a responsibility too to change it. It is up to us to bring about the change. I mean you and I, not he and she. It is said, if we are not part of the situation, then we are the problem. So the change should start from us. Without bothering too much about what others do, we must, as individuals, start doing our might. To illustrate my point, let me narrate an incident from the life of the Nobel Prize winner Kailash Satyarthi. The day arrived for the conferring of the Nobel Prizes. Mr. Satyarthi was expected to make an acceptance speech. He had prepared the speech and put it into his coat pocket. Mr. Satyarthi stood up to address the gathering, put his hand into his pocket and realized to his shock that the paper was missing. For a moment, he was at a loss. Soon, he composed himself and explained to the gathering what had happened. He told them instead of speaking from the paper, he would speak from his heart. The main point of the speech was a simple story that he had heard as a boy from his grandmother. As he explained the story, he imbibed the spirit of the story, and it was the inspiration for him to start his social works to rehabilitate thousands of school dropouts and juvenile delinquents. That incident made a difference in his life. Friends, remember, our topic is you can make a difference. Now, it becomes my duty to explain how it is possible. I shall choose just a few which I consider specifically important and present before you. My first point is a pursuit of personal excellence. Whatever we undertake in our life, we must do it wholeheartedly with a sense of dedication and commitment. This applies to your present student life and later in your professional life. We can find on the cover page of Shiv Kheda's famous book, You Can Win. Winners do not do different things. They do things differently. Quality of the work is what matters, not designations and quantifications. My second point is that we should lead a life of personal integrity, being law-abiding citizens and sticking to moral principles. Of course, without indulging in any kind of corrupt practices. My third point is the protection of environment. At all costs, we must do it for the survival of the human race. I salute the Swedish schoolgirl Greta Thunberg, who spoke recently at the UN Assembly, voicing our concern for the environment. As time is running short, I must hasten to conclude. But friends, remember, all is not lost. Still there is hope, and the hope for the future lies in the children like us. We can make a difference through a pursuit for excellence, adherence to moral standards, and commitment to the protection of environment. Please take my words as a wake-up call. Respond to the need of our. Definitely, it will make a difference and things will be better. Thank you.